Here is another violation that Jesus committed according to the writings of the gospel. In Mark chapter 5, Jesus allowed physical contact with a woman during with the blood issue on that woman, and in the Jewish Torah, it is called a state of nida. The woman is in a state of nida with a blood, and that is called nida in Hebrew. And the Torah command specifically says that whosoever toucheth her will be unclean, or shall be unclean until the evening. And it was stated in Leviticus chapter 15 verse 19. And in this regard, the man who touches the woman should undergo a cleansing period. In the evening, he must do a cleansing with he will take a bath and washing, so that he will be clean and made an offering. And so the halakha in Nida chapter 33 and Mishneh Torah of Rambam, sorry, BA 10:1-4, it states there that according to the halakha, that based from the Torah, that he will undergo cleansing. However, the gospel is silent that Jesus, after touching a woman, or after having a contact with a woman with a blood issue, did do a cleansing process according to the Jewish law. So therefore, this is a kind of violation that he made, that he committed. And this is an important matter, no? And so why this is it matters? Because this was not mercy. It was not mercy at all. It was a flagrant break of the Torah, and this Torah is regarding purity law. Okay, shalom, shalom.